Kakatapos lang mag-install ng ayan, installation successful, finish na guys. Click ko na, ayan. So anong next na mangyayari? Oh, uy, okay na siguro to. Okay, guys, ang ganda ng wallpaper ko guys. Habang hinihintay natin, basahin natin to. Sabi dito, a new heaven and a new earth. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and earth had passed away, and the sea was no more. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride, adorned for her husband. And I heard a loud voice from the throne saying, behold, the dwelling place of God is with man. Ayan, teka lang. Umulit teka lang. Hindi kanina. Finish na. So, balikan natin yung kanina. Finish na, no? Pero, ang pinagtatao, guys. Kung finish na, bakit? Ulit na naman siya. Setup to eh. Dapat yung ano na.